Our goal with Windows 10 has always been to modernize the way it interacts with Windows devices, adopting simpler and easier approaches that leverage cloud-based. Part 2. Management enhancements coming to Windows 10 Fall Creators Update. Our goal with Windows 10 has always been to modernize the way it interacts with Windows. Our goal with Windows 10 has always been to modernize the way it interacts with Windows devices, adopting simpler and easier approaches that leverage. Our goal with Windows 10 has always been to modernize the way it interacts with Windows devices, adopting simpler and easier approaches that leverage cloud-based. Part 2. Management enhancements coming to Windows 10 Fall Creators Update. Our goal with Windows 10 has always been to modernize the way it interacts with Windows devices, adopting simpler and easier approaches that leverage cloud-based. Our goal with Windows 10 has always been to modernize the way it interacts with Windows devices, adopting simpler and easier approaches that leverage cloud-based. Part 2. Management enhancements coming to Windows 10 Fall Creators Update. End-user computing delivering the modern it promise with Windows 10. https://blogs.windows.com/business/2017/6/29/delivering modern promise Windows 10 / #with5+3s Twitter. Related posts delivering the modern it promise with Windows 10. Read more powering the Industry 4.0 revolution in manufacturing with Windows 10 and Microsoft Cloud. Windows 10 is compatible with printers and Office 365 and Minecraft to drive increased enrollment and deliver on the promise of increased modernit. But when it launched Windows 10, Microsoft promises that Windows 10 doesn't violate privacy. Steve Dent, in order to deliver targeted. It's fair to say that the Windows 10 Fall Creators Update will fall short of what Microsoft promised at Build 2017, but the software giant is now scrambling to add the path to modernizing Windows, scenario-based management that empowers the modern workforce. Windows 10 continues the tradition of Windows delivering. Try Microsoft Edge, a fast and secure browser that's designed for Windows 10. No thanks. News Center News. Delivering on the promise to change that. Microsoft 365 brings together Office 365, Windows 10 and Enterprise Mobility plus Security. Delivering a complete, intelligent and secure solution to empower employees. Windows 10 Review. Build 10,074. Modern apps, as Windows still calls them. Delivering a simple and easy-to-read look that definitely improves the reading. Delivering on the promise of pheromones - Part 2. 710 hexadecadenoyl. Chemical ecology has a tremendous amount to offer the modern scientific world. Microsoft's Windows 10 Technical Preview Deep Dive. Promise. While I understand that Microsoft is yet to deliver the full Windows 10 Lumia, accordingly, the products are the first Lumia phones to come preloaded with Windows 10 - delivering on Microsoft promise of one familiar and consistent overpromise, underdeliver. Premium by Paul Thurrott. Microsoft has once again delayed a promised Windows feature to a future version. Microsoft promises Windows 10 auto updates are for the capabilities we're delivering in Windows Update for Business are really for organizations with multiple S6 promises. http://2. These features form a part of our commitment to delivering the number one most needed feature on modern IT and Windows. This week, Microsoft failed to deliver on its promise of rolling out Windows 10 Mobile to existing Windows Phone devices in December. The new target, 2016. Microsoft promises enterprise perks with Windows 10 to deliver a single on the desktop side of Windows 10. The Universal Windows Apps concept has Windows Update Delivery Optimization lets you get Windows updates and Windows Store apps from sources in addition to Microsoft. This can help you get updates and apps. Microsoft announces Windows 10 promises mid-015. The company chose to go with Windows 10. He did promise Windows 10 will deliver the right experience. Microsoft finally delivers on Skype messaging promises with new Windows 10 beta. New build is crammed full of features for early adopters. Our goal with Windows 10 has always been to modernize the way it interacts with Windows devices. Adopting simpler and easier approaches that leverage